Hi guys, I'm Johnny. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make my delicious banana muffins. I love making muffins because they're so easy, very convenient. You can just grab one in the morning to head up to work. So easy and delicious. So let's get started. So this recipe is very simple. What we're going to do, in a large bowl, we're going to go ahead and add our bananas that we just peeled. I am using ripe bananas. It is important that you use ripe bananas whenever you're making any banana dessert or recipe because they become sweeter and more delicious. So I'm just gonna use my fork and I'm just going to mash them well. Once you have them all mashed up, you're going to go ahead and add the eggs, white sugar, pure vanilla extra, and melted butter. Using a whisk everything together until well blended. In this separate bowl, I have all my dry ingredients that I combine them all together. So I have some all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, ground cinnamon, and ground nutmeg. If you don't like ground nutmeg or cinnamon, you can leave them out, but it makes this muffin very delicious and I just love it. So mix everything together until well mixed. Now you're going to take your flour mixture and add it into your banana mixture and whisk everything together until it forms a smooth batter. At this point, you can play around with this recipe. You can add some fresh blueberry or frozen blueberries, chopped nuts like pecans, walnut, or even chocolate chips. But I'm just gonna keep it simple and just gonna make a regular banana muffins. So I have this big jumbo muffin pan. If you know me for quite some time, you know that I always make my muffins in a big muffin pan because I don't know, I like the aesthetics. I feel like they're like bakery style muffins, but you can certainly use the regular muffin pan. In the description box, I will have the measurements and the instruction for everything, for the big muffins, for the small muffins. So I'm going to fill out my muffin tin 3/4 of the way up, and I'm going to bake them at a 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 23 to 25 minutes. Or until a toothpick inserted into the middle comes out clean. So once my muffins have cooled down quite a little bit, I'm just going to give it a try. And they smell so good. These are best eaten the day you make them, but you can place them in an airtight container and keep them for a few days. They're super moist. Can I even speak? Super flavorful. As you can see, they were so easy to make with ingredients that you probably have in your pantry already. I hope you give them a go. If you make them, don't forget to send me a picture on Instagram. And I'll see you next time. Bye.